Good morning. It's my first day back in Jamaica and I feel good. I woke up and it's so beautiful and sunny today and I don't really know what I'm going to do. Remember, I'm not like fully on vacation. So I am gonna have my brother pick me up. I'll be driving in the car with him driving me for the first time, so that will be interesting. He says he's a good driver. This is a lot younger than me, so we'll see how that goes. I need to go to the supermarket. I don't know the prices of stuff anymore. I don't know what something's supposed to cost, what's expensive, what's a good deal. I need to go buy some stuff for me to eat because I eat different than everyone else. And maybe have a little breakfast, a nice breakfast. I would love some ackee and saltfish, but even if I just get like a coffee and something somewhere, an iced coffee, that would be good. And my hair, I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. She does what she wants, and I just have to go with it. But let's see where the day takes us. I'm gonna eat my coconut, my leftover coconut jelly for breakfast. It's not too tough. Not soft, but it's not too tough. It's alright. It's can go on. Because I don't eat a lot of food, I said I definitely want a lot of fruits. I definitely wanted some coconut jelly. I'm hoping that they have our Jamaican apple, which is called OTET apple. I'm hoping that they have that. Because I don't remember what season that is. So I want to go to a fruit stand and find some fruits. My father is watching football in the background, if you're not sure what that sound is. So I'm going to finish my coconut and head on the road.
Middleman has more variety. But you can try lotion, son. Certainly not high though.
No.
They're expensive too, and they know have a lot of variety. So try lotion, son. And see if you see anything in there. Walk up and down and see.
All I'm thinking right now is that I can afford is something mackerel. So if that is it, that is it.
Buy some of that. Huh?
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, I definitely have to. I brought some of my tuna because I'm bougie with my tuna.
I just ran out. I just used the last thing.
But I bet you use regular tuna. I use albacore. Hey, little brother.
Hello.
Gonna drive with you for the first time? Am I going to press the brakes?
Yes. Indubitably.
Why you have to go so close to that wall?
Give myself more space back in.
Okay.
Okay.
Dom!
Everybody has on their seatbelts?
Just hold on. Let me put my seatbelt on.
Now does everyone have on their seatbelts?
Kai?
Yes.
Okay.
You're making me nervous.
I'm making you nervous.
Yes, yes you are.
Oh my god, are we on a racetrack?
I'm going 60. This is the speed limit.
Is it really?
Yeah, about 50, but I mean the car speedometer is like 10 km faster than the actual speed, so.
Dom, that's unnecessary.
I'm going up ahead.
Okay. Where are we going?
I have to go draw money and drop off nearby-ish.
Alright, well, turn this down. How do you turn that
It's
down?
already almost at the lowest.
Oh, we live on a hill, so you can see the. Go down now, you can see Kingston City. Anyway, what I would really like is ackee and saltfish, but because we left the house, it's almost lunchtime. I doubt that I'll get that, so I don't know what I'm going to get to eat. Where do you think I could get ackee and saltfish, if anything?
Juicy. Tasty might have.
Tasty.
Yeah.
Them sell food now?
Well, not that tasty. So Sugar and Spice is like up Old Hope Road, but then at the intersection there's Tasty. And that's like cooked food, fried chicken and those things. So they might have ackee and saltfish.
I feel like after a certain time they're like, we'll stop serve breakfast.
You could call them.
Oh, okay, give me a phone. Somebody give me their phone. We'll call them for me. Juicy?
Google Maps.
Google? Ooh, are we gonna pass by the roundabout or not yet?
Not yet. Which roundabout?
The roundabout that's no longer a roundabout.
I don't even remember there being a roundabout.
Oh my god.
There's a roundabout in there?
No, the roundabout La Chousan.
Oh yeah, them locked us off. Yeah.
I know, I don't know that to be locked off ever. Of a city, of a city. I just love driving and seeing the hills. Take off a little sprinkle for me. Wait, wipe it so I can have a clear moment. Okay, that did not work.
What have been there before?
Is your grandpa telling me about it?
I've been there with him and I've been there with him once.
Okay, but oh my god. And then to have to navigate the pothole.
Yeah. This road is very fun. I've been working all the day. I'm just fixing them.
There were no stoplights here.
So take you to where the Susan is. And
So
back
there.
up to Hideout.
Okay, so but there's no. Oh my god. Okay, so there's no more roundabout though. So is there any way to come around the other side?
The blocked off that.
Oh
Where the
my.
Where the Lushusan Road used to just lead straight back onto Barbican, that's blocked now.
Oh. But see this road? Some.
Barbican.
yeah.
I'm Hideout.
Oh, that's Hilo.
That's Hideout parking lot.
Oh. So the road is further down, but it's not there anymore.
What is?
The road that the roundabout road with a
further down.
but it's not there anymore. Wow.
It's there, it's just blocked.
Block. Can't come out of it. Can't go.
As a passenger, I never really pre the road that much.
So, Dominic,
Yeah.
one day I was asking Kai between his two grandparents, my mother and my father, who is more miserable. Now, I don't know how I get involved in it. Like, you know, rank us, rank them. I don't know how I got involved. Then I'm gonna say, third is Nana. I don't know how we get to 3 people. I was just asking about 2. And who you think who you think was first?
First?
Yeah.
You?
Why would he even say that? I was not first. I was second. Grandpa was first. But why would he even
Really?
pick me?
Wow.
I am.
For you?
Yeah.
I mean, you're not exactly not miserable, you know.
And I'm more miserable than our mother.
She is consistently miserable, and you have like a higher capacity for being miserable. Like your ceiling is way higher than hers.
What does that mean?
Like she'll just generally be miserable, but then when you get miserable, you get real fucking miserable. Like, you know.
I didn't understand that. I have a different experience with
Nana.
Oh yeah, it's true.
Yeah, like she loves you the most.
That is the truth.
Really secret.
And then you don't really know Nigel the way we do. That man is a miserable human being.
I
But
don't even remember him being miserable. That's the crazy part.
Kai put him at number 1. So okay, I'm in the mix, but alright, so I have a high capacity of being me. Me? Yeah. Son, you too?
Me?
Why are you saying why are you in
You know,
such
it's a funny-
agreement? Ross, Dominic, why are you so close to the vehicle? I I pressed the brake. I just pressed the brake. I just pressed the brake.
Because he brakes suddenly.
No.
Like
No.
he stopped
down.
real hard. And you know why he did? Because of how the road looked right there. Because I wasn't expecting that either.
Okay. Well, in my defense, if I have two miserable parents, how you expect me to come out?
But him have two miserable parents too.
Who?
Him. No. Wait, I have two miserable parents, so I turn out fine.
I'm fine. How about that? I'm quite fine.
Green light, let's go.
I'm miserable, but I get over things quickly. So
And I will hold it for the rest of my
What's
life.
going on here?
I'll vex forever.
Where's the place name now?
Triple T's.
I like Christmas.
Yeah.
I guess it's on the other side.
It's nice in here. Oh, I like this outdoor. Oh, geez, that man they frightened me. When they looking in the window. Oh, they have sorrel, red stripe. I don't want that though. Oh, you know, I've never tried the lemon red stripe. Is it good? All right, let me get it. But I need a drink. Oh, crown water. All right, give me one too. Take out the lemon for me. Oh no, confusing me. Eh? They have regular cranberry? I thought, but that's crown water.
Yeah.
Not cranberry juice. Is there? No, I don't want the big one.
does this have leather?
Oh, you can't hold
Ice
this.
cream inside.
Here, you're making the boy hold alcohol.
So?
You can do that in Jamaica?
Because you're traumatized.
What are you not saying? Oh my god, let's go please.
I haven't had chairs on.
No, pink and cheers are it.
You need to eat this.
We're still getting used to the fact that we drive on the other side.
Yeah. It's definitely different. Or, yeah, I just have to get used to it. But I don't think I want to drive down here. I like to be driven. This is too much.
Burn turn this off. But you can't manage this driving.
I don't know, it's just so chaotic. And I can't believe this is where I learned to drive. This is where I drive, and I am like, what is happening on the roads? It's too much for me right now. I guess I need some time. Can I go? Go on now. The girl them a chatty business. How you feel? When I was 16. So I'm gonna be eating with a view. I'm gonna get out and show you the view soon. Thank you. Look at this, people. I needed some ackee and saltfish today. I had to have it. Alright, so just gonna eat and enjoy. Little bit salt, but I like my ackee and saltfish with.
You could use more pepper.
Yeah, and you know, before we leave, I did after we left, I was like, I should have asked for pepper. I like my ackee and saltfish with green banana and boiled dumpling.
I like yam.
Let me have yam. I don't like the boiled dumpling; it's too doughy.
Let me try it.
But the banana is good. Look at this incredible view of part of Kingston. Wow. This is my home country. Okay, so I'm going shopping for some groceries for the first time. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I don't know what I'm going to be able to get, especially with the stuff that I eat, but we're gonna figure it out. All right, guys, let's try and do this. Come on, my love. Relax, madam. Kai, does he have this? Because this is a must for me. Wait, how much is that? It's a buy two. Come here, Dominic. Come help me with this. Look at this. I eat mushrooms so much. So over $1,200 for these. That's it. Like this can't even fill up my plate.
It's like $7 US.
Yeah, but okay, I get it for like maybe 4 and change, but way more than this. So let's move on. I'm gonna get a pack of brown rice because I no longer eat white rice, and I don't see a price for it. So
On the white rice.
the white rice is that much, so brown rice is probably more.
Really?
I'm scared that I'm not gonna be able to afford anything. Alright, so I'm gonna get some pink salmon. That's the price. And I'm gonna get some thin mackerel. Some little thin. You got mackerel for the dogs? Well, you got a mackerel for this girl here. I need mackerel. What is the what brand do you buy? I'm a Grace girl, but does it matter? Here. Mackerel in tomato sauce. I just get 2 of these. So the price of that is this for the mackerel. And I got 2, so I get to make for $2.20 each. I'm gonna try one of these and see if I like it. This is only for money, but I'm just gonna try. We have a few here. I'm gonna try this one. So we're gonna head home. I actually just got some Wendy's. I got a spicy fish because Ackee was good, you know, but it was not filling, and I don't even eat that much. So I got a fish sandwich from Wendy's. I'm going home because when I was in the supermarket, I just felt overwhelmed. I really don't know what to eat, what to buy, how much to spend.
You know, you could check fresh approach.
Why? What's there?
In Fountain Spring, they have more vegetarian stuff there. I think that's where Ren used to get the restaurant.
And what are the prices on it?
No idea.
That's the thing. I have to get back used to the prices here and how much is that Sebastian?
It is.
And how much I might be spending, so that when I'm like looking at the prices and it says $1,000, I'm not like, oh my god, because that's a normal price. I just want to go home. I'm gonna go back and lay down, and yeah, no more spending today. I've done enough damage for today. I don't even know if the video is gonna end here for the day. We'll see, but for now it's home time.
Driving.
People,
oh, no.
they're driving, scaring poor little me. I can't say that bad driving. No, sir. No. I just want to go. I want to go home right away. Heading there right now. I'm done for the day. Done for the day.
How was your drive out?
The people them drive terrible.
I told you that.
I was scared for my life. I was scared for my life.
I told you that. I'm not told you. Don't mess with this taxi man, eh?
I'm scared. I'm scared, scared. All of it. I can't do it. Is this normal, Kai?
What? Normal for what?
The driving and stuff?
Yeah.
actually not now.
Well, normal for out here.
Wait until you go out like on a Friday evening in a month, like next week, Friday. Yeah,
When people get paid.
when, yeah, in a month, Friday. And thank God you're not here for like
I'll be driven like
Christmas
a.
and so.
But I want to be here for Christmas. But I want to be driven. If I drive, I'll be like a granny.
Yeah, well, try